Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert text box in LibreOffice Impress. If you want to do it, first you need to go to the left upper corner and then you need to click on Insert tab. Now you need to go to this one option, it is text box. You need to click on it or use shortcut from your keyboard F2 to do it. So I click on it and then I will be able to insert here a new text. So I will draw here a text box and I type here my new text. If I will select it, I will be able to change the font. For example, I click on the arrow and I select here another font, for example Arial, and it has been successfully changed to Arial. Now I can bold the text if I want, I can use italic font, I can underline the text if I want, and of course I can use other effects like strike through or toggle shadow. If you want, you can always change the color of the font here. For example, I set here red. You can modify character highlighting color, for example I select here yellow, and you can modify character spacing, for example I will set here tight. Okay, so in this way you can easily insert the text in LibreOffice Impress. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel.